Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Connor from Connoisseur Detail, and this is how to get the best from your Carpro coatings. Onto the application, we're using a cross-hatch method. This ensures a thin and even coat to the section that you're working on. And with a wipe off, we've got a quick tip here. Pearl knit weave cloths for the first collection of the excess coating, and then moving over to a suede cloth for the final wipe. This gives the professional finish that you want. So you've listened to me for long enough, I'm going to let you get back to the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get on with the second layer. Bringing you up to speed, at this point we've applied a 1:3 ratio of Koshemi Green Star, which is a high pH alkaline cleaner, increasing the aggression with each and every round. We did the same 5 hits with Carpro Spotless 2.0, but I'm not going to bore you with watching all of them, so we're going to move on to round 5 where you can see for yourself how both sides are holding up.